everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. I actually went in pretty early and I'm leaving pretty early. It was awesome. I actually got there less than an hour. One thing I do want to tell you, today is Sunday. If you guys are interested in those Coupon Addict t-shirts that I was telling you about, they do end sometimes today on Sunday. So if you guys do need to get it now. Otherwise they won't be back for a while. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. But I'm pretty excited to share with you guys my Moneymaker haul from Walgreens. Now, I've been really trying to push Ibotta with Walgreens and CVS lately. You guys, sorry. There's nobody here, but the road's really bad. So I'm just gonna roll up. Get some air in here. Okay, so the Ibotta's been really kicking it lately, and I got some really good deals for you guys and some freebies. So let me just tell you what we got. So now you guys definitely want to do this right away if you can. I know these expire in like a day or two, so make sure you guys can do it. But the cereal is currently $1.88 on sale. There is a 50-cent digital coupon, or there is a $1 off a 2 printable coupon that you guys can print from the Kellogg's family website. You guys would end up paying $1.38 for the 50-cent coupon, or $2.76 for the $1 off a 2 coupon. You guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. So I got 3 different rebates with Ibotta. And you guys can submit your receipt to get a free book. If you guys have not done that, go for it. I've already used all 10 of my books, so my father-in-law let me use his to get some books for the kids. I like to get books and I can give them as gifts and everything. But you guys would end up getting, for the 50-cent coupon, you guys would get a box of cereal for 88 cents. You can't go wrong for 88 cents. Otherwise, it'd be $1.76 for the $1 off a 2. So I got Frosted Flakes, Apple Jacks, and Fruit Loops. I'm going to my parents' house next week, so I'm bringing a lot of cereal to my parents' house just because my stepdad loves cereal. So yes. Okay, the next deal we did is the Silhouette, it's like underwear. It's a 4-pack. I don't really understand how this goes. Oh, I guess it's the size. Okay. But anyways, I didn't know what the heck I was reading, and then all of a sudden now I see it. But the Depend Silhouette and the Poise Active, these are currently on sale for $5.99. I have a feeling this is an all-month deal. I can check for you, because sometimes they have it where it's just the week, but I have a feeling it's an all-month deal. And I didn't take a picture of the tags. Yeah, so this is going to be this deal all month long. But these are $5.99. There is a digital $3 off coupon that you guys can use, or there's a $3 off coupon that we got in our inserts. Plus there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet that is brand new today that you guys definitely want to grab. You guys will get these for 99 cents. 99 cents is an awesome, awesome deal. These are great items to donate if you guys need to go ahead and do that. And you guys can submit your receipt to fetch rewards, and you guys will get points for that. So, awesome. So, yes. Okay. Here is an easy freebie for you guys. It's the Old Spice spray deodorant. Now, I had some coupons today where if you buy 1 Old Spice, you can get a secret for free. You guys can do that. You guys would end up paying $5 with that coupon, I think, and then you could submit a $1.25 rebate, and then you get a $4 rebate. So that could be a good deal for you too. But this deal, I just wanted to share with you guys. My store doesn't sell the spray secret. I have to go to a different store to sell the spray. But these are currently 2 for $10. You guys, there is a 4 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You guys will end up paying $6 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $1.25 rebate times 2 with Ibotta. And you will also receive a $4 register reward. making this a 50-cent moneymaker. You guys cannot go wrong with that. I absolutely love it when you can go with a moneymaker. Now there currently is also a 6 off of 4 digital coupon. You guys could use that if you wanted to. I can't remember the limit on the Old Spice, but you only get 1 register reward with that deal. So it's sometimes the 4 off of 2 might be a better deal. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that, but you cannot go wrong with free deodorant. Now I ended up doing the Dove deal again. This was the same deal as last week. They are currently buy one get one 50% off. So it is $7.49 and $6.99. Buy one get one 50% off. The coupon, well, there is a coupon for buy one get one free. The coupon takes up to $6 off. You guys would pay $4.98 for this, but then you guys can submit, or you guys will get 1,000 points for buying 2. And you guys can submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. Last week there was an awesome deal for Fetch Rewards, but this week it's not on there. You'll just get regular points. But it comes out to be just $3.98 or $1.99. So definitely go ahead and get some Dove body wash. I ended up getting coconut butter and cocoa butter. I like to mix it up. I have the pear one that smells delicious. So yes. Okay. Guys, and then I also got a $1 off coupon for the Dove. It's random, but woo, $1. Now here's a good deal if you guys need some peanut butter. I just went grocery shopping yesterday, and my family's been going through peanut butter like there's no tomorrow. And I'm like, okay, I'll buy a big jug of peanut butter. Well, then I looked and there was a good deal with some peanut butter. And so we got some Skippy, okay? Now there's 2 different scenarios for this Skippy deal. My store had 35% off coupons that you guys could peel off and use. So the peanut butter is currently 2 for $5. You guys want to use 2 of those 35% off peelable coupons. You guys would end up paying $4.30 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit a 55-cent rebate and a 55-cent rebate with Ibotta. Plus I also had a 10-cent off of any peanut butter rebate. Comes out to be $3.10. Why, I think it's like $1. Why didn't I write this down, Jennifer? Seriously. Comes out to be $1.55 for peanut butter. Awesome, awesome, awesome deal. Now, if you guys don't have that in your store, there is currently a printable coupon for 55 cents that you guys can print from the Skippy website. You guys will get these again, 2 for $5. You use that 55 cents off a 2 coupon. You would pay $4.45. Again, 55 cents, 55 cents, and 10 cents with Ibotta, making it $3.25 or $1.62. So I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I haven't gotten this peanut butter since the whole lockdown happened at Walmart, and we've already gone through that stuff. So my family has just been obsessed with peanut butter like crazy, and I will take it. Okay, you guys, the Ajax soap is currently on sale for $1.99. There is a 50-cent off digital coupon, or there is a 50-cent off coupon that is in our inserts. You guys would just get this for $1.49. It says it strips grease, and my kitchen is like kind of greasy, so I want to see if this would work. And I also did a digital video with a lot of other deals that I did not mention in this video, so just giving you guys a heads up. I like to help out as many people as possible. Because a lot of people aren't getting coupons lately. I kind of stopped, and I'm just relying on digitals, which is totally fine with me because I am saving more money. The Garnier Fructis, now this isn't a great deal, but I did this deal just because I get a discount, so I wanted to use this deal, and this is stuff that I do use. So the Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. There's currently a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You might have gotten some in your inserts also. I didn't get those. I don't get those in my inserts. But you guys, we can just get these for $3 or $1.50 a piece. So it's up to you guys. I got these a little bit cheaper. So that is what I got. So yes, you guys, that is my haul. That is my haul. You definitely want to check out all the other deals that I showed in the digital video. I think I showed like 5 other deals, maybe 6 other deals that I did not buy. So a lot of you guys are really loving my crazy clipboard. The cashier just laughs at me because of it. And I did, if you guys want to know what it's all about, I did make a DIY video about it. This helps me so much with couponing because I have clips and everything on here. So if you guys are interested, definitely check that out or make something yourself. But my total came to $19.99. I ended up getting that $4 register reward for the secret deodorant. And then I also I got $11 in points. I think I hit beauty, so that's why. Yeah, I hit beauty, so that's why I got the extra 5,000. And then I got the 1,000 for Dove. And then I think I also had like a something to clip to my card. Yeah, that's what it is. I got 5,000 for beauty. I got 5,000 for spending so much. And then I got 1,000 for the Dove deal. And then I got $5.20 back with Ibotta. Funny thing is, it caught it this time. It caught it this time, you guys. And I finally got my money the other day from 2 weeks ago. That's how crazy Ibotta has been lately. But I did get my money from Ibotta. So $5.20. I did get points for Fetch Rewards. So my total came to be a 21-cent moneymaker. I just need 5 more rebates, you guys, to get a $10 rebate with Ibotta. And it ends in a couple of days. I'm gonna definitely do this because I want some $10 rebates. So if you guys enjoyed this video, 21-cent moneymaker, can't go wrong with that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for everything that you do. You help me, you make me excited. You're the highlight of my day. Jennifer, shut up. Yes, I know. Okay, I will see you guys all later. I'm heading to CVS, and see you guys all later. Bye-bye.